Tired of trash-strewn beaches? Well, you're looking at the robot that's job is to clean them all up. I'm the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com. That's where my newsletter is free. Now this is Bebot, an electric-powered beach cleaner. It's pretty cool. Its mission? To hunt down plastic and other nasty debris on our beaches. And it's a little powerhouse too. Bebot can screen up to 32,000 square feet of sand an hour. That's about 20 to 30 times faster than picking up trash by hand. It digs about 4 inches deep using tiny sifters to grab everything from cigarette butts and bottle caps to larger plastic items. Oh, and it's 100% electric, so no polluting fumes. Plus, it's way quieter and gentler on the sand than those big, old, gas-guzzling tractors, which means it's safer for wildlife and sensitive beach ecosystems. Now, it's not just a cleaner. Bebot can also level sand, rake algae, and even help carry beach chairs. It is already making a huge difference on the beaches from Florida to Lake Tahoe. Are you cool with a robot beach cleaner rolling up by your beach setup? Or are we taking a job away from people who know how to do the job on a tractor? Let me know your thoughts below. More cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. See why so many people get my newsletter by clicking the little red button.